Hi children, this is our fifth lesson. What is that fifth lesson in the grammar? Naming word noun. What is mean by noun, children? I know, I'm thinking you know about noun. You previous in UKG you learn. I'm thinking that. No, you don't know about the noun. Okay, noun is nothing but noun are the name of person, persons, places, animals or things. Understood, children? What is the noun? Noun are the name of persons, places, animals or things. So I will explain about the some names, places and animals or a things. For example, see here one sentence I am writing here. This is an aeroplane. So in this sentence, what is the noun, children? In this sentence, what is the noun? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the person name, place, animals. What is this aeroplane means? It is a non-living thing. What is this? It is a non-living thing. So this is a noun. Next one more. Ritu is a good girl. So what is the noun here, ma? See here Ritu is the name. So what is this name? Male or female this is? In the sentence they mention already a girl. Yes or no? So this is a person. Understood, children? Girl is a person. So it is a noun. So like this we have to find out in the sentence whether that is a noun. What is that? Okay, children? Few I will write on the name. What is that? In this above sentence, the word is colored are the noun as they are named of things and a person. Let us know some more naming words. So I will write on the board now the person, names, animals and the things. Okay now, children? So children, persons means any person, like our names it will be, if any person doing any work, if we mention the name, for example cobbler, what the cobbler will do? He will mend our shoes. Tailor, tailor is a one person name, he is doing that work. So the work name is a tailor, but we call as a person also, he is tailor, he will stitch the clothes. Yes or no, children? Like that some names I am writing here. MS Dhoni, Abdul Kalam, Ravi, Rani, Rohit, Kirtana, so these are the some persons names I wrote here. Now places. Places also many places are there, children. Many. We are living in Hyderabad, Balleguda, Dilshuk Nagar, Kismatpur. These all are the places. The places are in the Hyderabad. Like that America, Bombay, Calcutta, like this some places. Hyderabad, India Gate, Lotus Temple. You listen these all names, yes or no children? Taj Mahal. So these are the places. Not only this, many places are there. Animals. Animals also dog, camel, goat, bear, deer, like this many are there. And things going to the table, chair, fan, door, like this all, not only whatever I given on the board, remain many are there. Persons also many names are there. Your friends names are there, your names, your relatives, your family members, that all comes under the person. Place means not only these places children. Wherever your grandfathers will live, your uncles, auntie, they will go in America, Australia, like that places. Animals, many animals are there. Things also, yes or no children? These all are called as a noun. What is this all are called as a noun? Nouns are the name of a person, places, animals and things. So here page number 23 children. Page number 23, what is there here? Write the names of 6 of your friends. Who are your best friends are there? You have to write here the names. Next is the name of a 6 famous person in India. Who are the famous persons are there? That you have to write. So whatever you know, animals names you know. In the classroom, whatever the things are there, in a home, whatever the things are there, that you write down. Remaining, whatever the notes is there, I will send you the pics children.